Hi everyone, welcome to week 15. Oh my goodness, we're on module 15 already. I'd like to go over the instructions and what the expectations are for this week. So in module 15, when you are reading chapter 15, some things I want you to look for are important aspects of communications with families, um, describing portfolios of how they are used with the family and communication, the teacher's role in interacting with the child, and then how we can contrast the differences in families and how they affect the teachers. Really a good one. And you are going to actually go ahead and address all three of the SLOs this week in under chapter 15 and all the work that we're doing along with it. So basically, what to be successful in this week, you want to make sure to read chapter 15 in our textbook. You want to watch the videos that I provide for you within the module, as well as the PowerPoints. And then you have your quiz by Friday, December 4th. As usual, 11:59 p.m. is the due date, the due time, I should say. It locks up after that time. And then, of course, your observation 3, which you are currently working on, is due on the 5th. So we have Saturday the 5th due by 11:59 p.m. and it is worth 50 points. So if you have any questions on that, please feel free to email me and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If not, have a fabulous week and I'll see you all soon.